Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can activate GO2bank card. Now for that, first of all, you need to open the GO2bank on the web page. So open any browser on your PC and open a new tab. On the search bar, you type in go2bank.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the bank. Now here on the web page, on the right side, you will be able to see the option of activate your account. You click on that. This will lead you to the another web page for the process of activating the card. Now for you to activate the card, you need to provide the 6-digit card number. Then you need to type in your SEC code, and here you type in the expiry month of the card and the expiry year of the card. Once you provide all three details, you will be able to click on this continue. Once the continue is clickable, you need to go forward. This is how easily you will be able to activate your account. It will only take few minutes and your card will get activated. Hope this video was useful on how you can activate GO2bank card. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.